Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this outfit from Rocket Royals and Dress to Impress. Super simple items. You do need VIP for this and the dress as well. Just going to remove everything here except for the ones I did adjustments on. For the hair, I use this in EEB F9C, position the Y to 0.48, Z 0.44, rotate the X to 0.51, Y 0.52, and scale it to 0.43. Grab this hair from updos and then color it the same, no adjustments made. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Y 0.35, Z 0.56, scale it to 0.14. Grab this crown and color it FFC3E7 and FF8AD0. In the first toggle, position the Y 0.57, Z 0.45, rotate the X to 0.54, and scale it to 0.27. Grab this necklace and color it this. Then grab this top and color it white. Color it this first in glitter. And color the rest in white. Then we're going to grab this skirt in no ruffles and color it this pink. I think I'm just going to color the inside part a little bit darker here to FF60AD and the outside FF8AD0. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.